the song in the back of my soul that no one knows. I just found out a ghost left town. The Queen of California is stepping down, down, down. Hello, beauty. Hello, strange. Hello, wonder. What's your name? I went looking for the sun that Neil Young hung after the gorge in 1971. I just found out a ghost left town. The Queen of California is stepping down, down, down. If you see her, say hello. Just don't tell me that I told you so. Somebody told me Jody won't go to the house by the sea. I gotta believe there's another kind of waiting on me to set me free. I just found out a ghost left town. The Queen of California is stepping down, down, down. Get down.
Hey traders, welcome to episode 469 of the show. Can be doing anything, but you're here on a Monday. Thank you, appreciate it. And the topic of discussion is just kind of Binance Coin, and we hit all-time highs on wicks and candle closes recently, but we're pulling back. Right when we hit the all-time high of 25.50, when we had a recent all-time high of 25.20. But our candle high close could not close above that old wick. So interesting right there. We also know from your previous high to low, 1618. Fib extension is up there that we did not quite touch. Whoa. Very good music though. Hope you'll enjoy it. I'm about to turn my air conditioning on. It's freaking hot. It's like 80 degrees today, which is great, man. Great stuff. I don't know. It still looks like a little loud, but give me a sound check. I know this mic is ridiculous. Like if I'm off just a little bit, you can barely hear me. But when I'm up close like this, it's like perfect. Okay. So on the, that's really just talking about Fibonacci and stuff like that. I feel like if we were able to ever break above 2550 for real, or 2573 to 1618, we could definitely go from your major high, all-time high, to major low, from that high point to low point. We could get ourselves some better fib targets up here. But for now, this is prudent because it's the previous swing high to low. All right. It all really started, remember, over and over and over we talk about that critical area back from June of 2018 where we had to break it and hold above it, and we did. All right, we had bearish divergence, and that made us sell off to just tweezer double bottom and bullishly engulf off that area that was once a resistance, then became support, and that's when we blasted off. They gave us time to do what? Gave us time to reset our oscillators, because at the time we were overbought, and then we got to hot but not too hot, and then overbought again. That's what happens in overwhelmingly bullish conditions. You get overbought, you sell off and consolidate a little bit, only to get overbought again. And as you can see with BNB, that's certainly been the case every single time. Overbought, overbought, overbought. And every time you get out of overbought territory to get overbought again. Very, very bullish behavior on the RSI. Good God. It's ridiculous, man. It's crazy. Okay, so that's Binance, man. BNB to the US dollar tether on the daily time scale. We have achieved all-time highs, and now we're bouncing off a wick back from January of 2018. That's that wick. That's literally what's holding, along with the upsloping area, the upsloping old resistance. Now, hopefully, could hold as support. If you look at the 4 hour, it actually looks like it's developing pretty well as some sort of downsloping consolidation after an impulse up, downsloping consolidation. Sure, yeah, we could. We made a lower high here, so there is a chance we could just sell off again and stay within the parameters of this teal downsloping channel, right? Which is, dude, who cares, man? It's really not a big deal as long as you stay above. I think 1747, everything's fine, man. All right. Jeez. Potential bull pull bull flag developing on BNB to US dollar tether on the 4 hour chart, but just remember how high we are. All right, just remember how long this trend has been going on. This up sloping channel, or really just the higher lows, higher highs, have been going on since December. Dude, we're talking like going on like a total of 4 months, maybe 5, whatever. It's crazy, dude. Hold on, it's loud. I don't know, I just have a playlist on, so beyond that song I just played, I don't know what's going to be playing next. Including this one. All right, hold on, let me turn this air conditioning on. Good God. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Whatever, dude. All right. That's weird. All right, give me 2 seconds. Now, let's take a look at BNB to BTC. Why not, all right? Let's look at the daily. Well, first off, we could just do some... That's wonderful, man, right? I mean, just everything in the world played out. Like the inverse, like a huge impulse. You've been running and running and running. Then you eventually sold off pretty hard. But then look what happened. Left shoulder, double head, right shoulder, neckline, broke the neckline. Measure move of the pattern was hit. Then we exceeded that measure move. And from your high point to low point, we hit the 1272 2 times. One on a wick, a couple times on, I guess, one time on the candle close. And that's it, man. From there, you've just been making lower highs than your previous highs. And you've fallen below the 20 moving average. Selling off 50 moving average right here, 41,627 sats. Beautiful though, beautiful recovery pattern, reversal pattern in a prevailing uptrend. Let's go to the daily. Beautiful, Cup with handle, man. Cup with handle. All right. So very nice. Look at the upsloping channel. We broke out of it, dude. We broke out of the historical uptrend. I mean, this chart on this exchange has existed since July 2017, and as you can see, touch point 1 and 2 almost. Well, no, never mind. 1 and 2 and 3. You tested it a few times. You failed to break it a few times, and you sold off. And look where we are. We broke out of it, and we're back testing it as support. Holy crap, man! That's crazy, dude. So I think someone was like, "Is that a cup with handle right here, man?" Well, no, we know in the 4 hours inverse head and shoulders, but on daily, yeah, you could see like a cup, man, with a handle, dude, developing high or low. That's always bullish when they're like that. So you could also interpret it like a bull pull bull flag developing, or impulse up, down sloping consolidation, whatever way you want to look at it. Pretty nice, man. Pretty freaking nice. All right. So we just looked at BNB to US dollar tether, and just looked at BNB to BTC on a couple of time scales. Wow. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Cheers. All right. So far on Bitcoin. So far, man, we've hit the third profit-taking level. We've hit the entry for the potential shorter-term short. But on the daily, we are, you can see, bullishly engulfing yesterday's candle, and we've got about an hour and 40 minutes left until this one closes itself. The volume is elevating, the highest level of volume, which we don't really care much about volume on Bitcoin, but the highest level we've seen since April 11th. So good 11 days. Whatever, man. Just noting what's going on. You still got negative momentum, don't you? Negative momentum on higher highs? On the daily time scale, dude, that's not really good. What? We don't want to be seeing negative momentum and higher candle high closes than our previous highs. That's not proper. Nor is upsloping consolidation after an impulse up. I'm sorry, man. I get it. Golden cross is coming, dude. It's coming, dude. It's right here in our screen. You can see it. But look, lagging indicator. So just let it be noted to everyone that we have improper consolidation after a huge impulse, and we are making higher highs than our previous highs with negative momentum. And we're actually kind of overbought now. We're at 72 on the RSI, and this is daily. Okay, man, that actually kind of makes me feel a little bit more confident about the bearish bat. Just saying. Okay, I was kind of like a little weirded out, like, man, we're up there, and this is the place where the Monkey S and the Poggers emotions come in. When you hit entries and exits, it's like, as soon as we hit that entry and exit, big wick down, right? Closed below it. So still below the 20 and the 50. That's great, man, on the 4 hour. That's awesome. So just keep that in mind, and really, I mean, yeah, you look fine on the RSI. 64, not hot, but not too hot. So it's not like you're overbought. You don't have like overbought conditions at an area of, the 886 from the high to low. So I don't know, man. I guess the thing to take to heart is that daily time scale. It's kind of telling us some things that aren't really the best. It's not the best. Okay. Anyway, let's look at some chat. Hey, if you super chat, I've now made it like literally like Twitch. Okay. If you tip me a super chat, it's like you're tipping bits, because it's pretty much the exact same thing. They take the same amount, but super chat's really boring. Twitch is a lot more fun. So I've made literally YouTube into Twitch, and it made an investment for that too. So we'll see how it goes, man. All right, if it goes, I don't know. What's up, Clive, Mr. Pace, Sherrard, Staggers, welcome. Vio, Vet Bro, Greg Morgan, 1941. What's up, Renee, Louis Marriott, Crypto Ninja, Christopher Harris, Burns 420. What's up, Dan and Melissa? How y'all doing? Anthony Rosano, Cabadappa. Good to see y'all. Wow, holy crap. Hope y'all are enjoying the non-lagged out stream chat. It like pops up in real time. It's so nice. I feel like I've broken chains, man. There's no screen melting. It's just so fantastic. zoom out to what? What's up, Benny Wynn? Mike Smith? Nice. So you don't get the notification. Well, you'll get the notification like that, but you won't see, unless there's a $3 tip, you will not see the actual graphic pop up like Twitch. So thanks for the $2.58 super chat or whatever it was. Thanks, dude. There it is, man, sitting in the jar like a bit. So cool, dude. I love it. They can't take it away from us. What's up, Julia? Welcome. And there's Jules friggin' Santana. Super Saiyan. What kind of Super Saiyan are you today, man? Alex Cobb, man, the Kang, dude. Well, we already hit 5,400, right? We hit 5,441, actually. The highest high. Hey, Renewable Guy, thanks for the 1.111 XRP, dude. Thanks, dude. On the XRP tip bot. What's up, Badandy? Delov? Sorry you hate Mondays, man. Well, as long as you hate Mondays, Mondays are always going to hate you. Remember that. That's the life. That's the universe, dude. Okay? If you hate something, it's going to hate you back. What's up, Zach Dims? XRP has been 32 cents for 84 years. Yeah, dude. Wow, that means it's been alive or around longer than harmonics have been around, right? Because we talked about that today, the history, a little bit of harmonics, well, at least the inception date of harmonics and when they were developed back 78 years ago. So, what's perfect in relation to my level of volume? Oh, okay, music. Thanks, dude. Appreciate that. I'm a busy man, Scorp music. Yeah, dude. I know. Sometimes it catches up with me. It's not as easy. It's easier. Some days are easier than others. All right. What's up, Sharuba? DGD Kang's up 32%, dude. Yeah. Yeah, man. DGD Connect. Wonderful. Matt Richard says, just sub to good content. Thanks, man, for chiming in. If you're ever a new sub and you're out there, dude, let me know. Like, if you sub to the stream while I'm live, dude, it's really cool to, like, let me know that in, like, live chat. This is an awesome, brimming community of really good people that care about technical analysis, okay? No pants Monday. I have pants on, dude. They're Ralph Lauren pants, too. They're just shorts. Okay. Yeah, OMG, sure. Very cool. Hey, let's look at Ethereum real quick. Sure, Ethereum responded accordingly. Nice. Dude, Essex Hammer, man. Thanks for the $5 contribution. There's no TTS on Super Chat till 10 because they take like 30%, and it's like, I don't know. But there's nothing I can do about the variations like that, so. Thanks, dude. Yeah, NEO to the US dollar tether. Sure. We'll look at it after Ripple. Not doing well, man. I mean, things been going pretty bad for NEO, man. You broke that up slipping support, and it was like all she wrote, dude. Dude, I don't know if this is awful or not. Okay, I can't tell. My audio's not loud enough. It's like slightly stupid and like Grateful Dead cover. What? No, we're not doing covers. We already have covers of covers. We can't do covers of covers. All right. Or maybe they're doing the cover of it. I don't know, dude. Whatever, man. We're just going to move it on. Ain't got time for that. All right. Anyway, Ethereum. Sorry. Okay. Still not even close, man. I mean, in terms of where we've retraced, we got extremely close to the 1618 from B to C fib extension before we sold off. So yeah, back above the 20, back above the 50 moving average, right? We were getting scary below it, but hey, we discussed the possibility of us pivoting here, and because that's what you do. Like, if you're in some sort of uptrend, you're gonna bounce off the 50 moving average, use it as support. Look how many rejections we got, and then we just bullishly engulfed and just kind of go on all over the place, right? You even last 4-hour candle, you wicked off the 50 before running back up and closing above the 20. Crazy stuff, man. All right, so we know what's kind of going on, that potential head and shoulders pattern. Let me see here. Yeah, so we were looking at it, man. The zone of entry was very wide, so it wasn't as reliable or as strong of a pattern. Because, like, you know, you want real confluence. You want as close to perfect as possible on your touch points of your fibs, like your B to C and then X to C. Okay, they need to be like almost touching or close enough to it, and it was very wide. So, okay, man, this is what I'm talking about. Like, right? I mean, if we get rid of this for just a second, just make visibility only show up on like the daily or something. Okay, if you can see right there at the head and shoulders, potentially, but man, showing some strength here. Definitely showing some sort of strength, but it's only because of Bitcoin. So I think, you know, if we can't break above 175, 176, 177, man, it's eventually you're just going to dump. All right, same with Bitcoin. If you can't break above 54.20, 54.30 at some point, you're going to dump. 88% retrace, man. Harmonic, textbook harmonic. And then again, of course, the daily that we just discovered, all those ugly variables, the improper stuff that we don't like, that we don't want to see when we're making higher highs on candle closes. Confirmed higher highs, right? You just don't want to see negative momentum. But anyway, yeah, that's it, dude. If you look, I mean, the harmonic up here, if we ever hit that entry, which is pretty far away, but I mean, again, argued that this was the entry from that low to high. You look for the 382. You probably already hit the 382 before running again. That's what's crazy about it. So, anyway, if you broke the neckline ever down here, you could expect 130.
Not pissing away any more money only for YouTube to take their cut. Stream Elements rocks for Mitch. Also, could we look at data/USDT please, Mitch? Come on, England.
Is that a join?
Thanks, bro, man. Essex Hammer, come on, England. Yes, that we can. I was looking at that earlier. Sure, dude. Certainly. Yeah, I mean, it's true. It's like Super Chat takes 30%, so obviously the best way to tip me is going to be through Stream Elements, but I mean, that's the way you get all your tip to me. But like, you know, Super Chat's there. I know it's convenient. It's a lot more convenient than Stream Elements. So if someone's like on the fly or they're mobile, and all they can do is like hit a $ that's hooked up to their Apple or their iPhone. All they do is hit, you know, their biometric, right? All they have to do is push that, and it's done, right? So leaving that option open for people if they don't have time to go through Stream Elements and stuff like that. So thanks, man. But we will look at it, yes. All right, hilarious, man. No, I know we're not out of the woods at all. By any means, we're not out of the woods. But X, A, B, C, pivoting. Bullishly engulfed twice. But, man, you just can't break above the 20, 50, and 200 moving average on the 4 hour. It's killing you, dude. You just can't do it. But, I mean, we've gotten about as low as we want to go. I mean, sure, you can come down here and double bottom, and it'd still be fine. But, man, you really need to start moving up, and it would require Bitcoin. You cannot move up without Bitcoin. I'm sorry, Ripple, dude. Like, there's just the probability of you moving to the upside when Bitcoin dumps it's very low. So, guess what? You are, like every other asset on this market, whether there's value or not, your price action, the US dollar, is for the most part dictated by Bitcoin. Sorry, man. I'm sorry. And really, it's actually been worse in a way, right? Has it not been extremely worse than most S coins and Bitcoin? Yeah, for 2019, guess what? You're pretty much at the same price you were at almost 5 months ago. So, get wrecked. Adrian A, thanks for the 258 super chat. Kangage, man. It's pretty cool. I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's good though. I think it's good. It's just like partitioning. You know, Super Chat had his own little scrubby variation, but I just wanted different tiers of the same thing. All right. All right, so if we could pivot tier, and if we don't double bottom, if we just continue, if we break above the moving average and get, I mean, I don't know how you're getting above this downsloping resistance. It's like every single time, it's like kryptonite, or it's like some sort of repellent. You just cannot break this downsloping resistance. It's too powerful, way too strong. With the current amount of participants, you just won't break it. So, again, we run up. I don't know what you're going to do. If you can break 34.3 cents and hold above it, back test, you might eventually get to that second target of the bullish cipher, which we have only seen one target, 1.5 targets before. You had the 50% retrace before selling off. Standard stuff. Wow. Crazy, man. Okay. I don't know how you're getting up there, but can definitely give it a shot. All right, here's your NEO to the US dollar tether, okay. Huge move down, upsloping consolidation. You got as high as the 618. You actually exceeded the 618, but never sustained prices above it, and you've since sold off and fallen back into the channel using that heart line, interestingly enough, as support for now, or right around it. I know there's a bunch of fibs here, but this was relevant to us to see the 618 that we hit a, probably hit like a 70% retrace. So we get rid of these fibs now, so you're not confused. And from the low point to high point, we've now retraced 38% of the way. So we've now finally hit the golden zone, dude. All right, between 861 and 1060, you're at it. Yeah, there's some divergence going on the MACD a little bit. All right, low. All right, you can clearly see from the beginning of the sell-off to now, it keeps dwindling. So that's good, but RSI, nothing, man. Okay, nothing on the RSI. And here's something to not forget on your daily harmonic. Jeez, man. I mean, like X, A, B, C, and looking for D way up here. Hey, look what you're doing. Hey, today, ladies and gentlemen, today, NEO to the US dollar tether is golden crossing. It's having a golden cross, right? And our price action's right around it. Holy crap. So 886 would put you at 1555. Don't know how we're getting there, when we're getting there, but this was very close to not being valid. You must hit a 38% retrace from 36.5. It's in that close category, to where you just plot it and see how it works out, how it plays out. If you get to that 886 ever, again, $15 and change. So just slowly upsloping, man. All right, daily golden cross is great, but it's a lagging indicator. All right, Momo shift for sure. There's your NEO. Okay, 88, a US dollar tether. On the daily, let's see what we have. Okay, yeah, I'm thinking about 88 at BTC. So broke out, sim triangle measure move hit from the major discernible swing high up here to low point. You've hit a 38% retrace. All right, 38% retrace, and you've since sold off, but you're forming some sort of a pennant or wedge, a downsloping consolidation. After what? After an impulse up is proper consolidation. So we have other fibs plotted on this 4-hour chart from your major low to major high. You've retraced 38% of the way. 38% of the way, nearing lots and lots of support, but you never actually touched that down there, did you? No. Okay, so you're right at a down-sloping resistance. That is what we're doing. So very critical resistance. All right, did we on the daily have divergence? No, what was it, the 60 minutes? Yes, it was the 60 minutes that gave us this. Low, remember we looked at this last night, lower low, or yesterday? Okay, higher levels of relative strength on lower lows, impending price action reversal, bam, here we are. Not making higher highs than our previous highs at all. So 60-minute wedge of some sort at critical mass. All right, just hitting that golden zone at 7.229 cents. And then bounced. Wow, fib node, a little support looking left. That's about it, man. There's not really anything else you're holding on to, so could be high risk, but we could be poised for breakouts. But it all depends on Bitcoin. Does Bitcoin want to dump and be unable to break above 54, 20, 30 area, or are we going to break it and run to the upside? If we break it to the upside, this thing's probably going to break out. But I don't know. The daily on Bitcoin, that negative momentum on higher prices isn't really great. I mean, that's really bad. That's worse than bearish divergence. It's a Class A plus bearish divergence. Okay. Come on, England. Thanks, Essex Hammer, for the contributions. All right. Thank you, dude. Sub repeat, bald and bearded. Dang, dude. Just missed like all my chat. But thank y'all for being here. All 287 of y'all. Hey, man, my God, man. We're at less than 10 likes for fireworks for Psy Girl. Are you kidding me, man? Thank y'all. Really appreciate all the support. How much? YouTube takes 0% if you tip me on Stream Elements. They take nothing. Yes, slider, pretty much. What's the target on a short-term short? 5,200, and then 5,100, and then 49.99, 95 or something stupid for the third target, which we probably won't hit. Thanks, Bubs D. Appreciate it. What's up, Rick Schmitz? You loving the cup on BNB? Thanks, dude. I'm really behind on chat, so I'm just trying to catch up, but trying to not neglect people. Just trying to... Y'all get, if you're like saying hey to me, I want to say hey back. Grasp the Viking helm and send us to the moon. I don't think that's how it works, man. Last time I checked. We've had many Viking streams where we're getting... I think we've had more Viking streams where we're dumping super hard than when we're pumping. I think we've had like 1 or 2 Viking streams where we've actually had really good stuff going on in the markets, like bullish stuff. Christian B says, Mitchell Ray, filling gaps in my day since 2019. Thanks, Christian, man. Thanks, Bitcoin King. Renewable guy. Cheers. All right, I'm glad y'all like it. Yeah. Twist the 420. What you talking about, TX? Adverb man. Sorry, y'all. Okay. Uh-oh. My God. Hi, I'm from Europe, evidently, it seems. Get wrecked. What's up, Crypto Ninja? BNB, how's it looking? Well, we already looked at it. I mean, if it's in the title, it's the first thing we cover in the stream when I go live. Okay. BNB on the rise. Yes, it's on the rise, but it's pulling back and could potentially be forming downsloping consolidation. Schools of thought could be like cup with handle, man. Really, really bullish cup with handle or bull pull bull flag. But at the end of the day, it's just impulse up with downsloping consolidation. Dana Melissa!
Is that a joint?
Dude. Thank y'all for the 2420. Y'all are incredible. Thanks so much. Dude, this sure makes me look weird, dude. I don't know. There's something about this. What do y'all think, Dan and Melissa? It made me look weird. Appreciate that. The Iowa Jesus peoples coming in with the Hawkeye. Iowa Bridge Connect. Have they done anything with the bridges that you've heard in the local, government? We need to know. You need 5470 RTJ or why, dude? Oh, by the way, dude, I got my bat set up, dude. Bat browser or whatever. Bat browser. Francisco!
Thank you, Mitch. Been making them gains listening to your TA and also making my own judgments with the knowledge from you.
That's what it's about, man. That's what it's about. I want you to be reliant on yourself. Self-reliant trader. So it's not all on me, It's not all on me. Like, you can do it yourself, and you can find things that we teach in here every day and apply it. Okay, so it's just wonderful, man, to hear that. If you ever have success, chat, and maybe you learned something in here, dude, feel free to shout it out from the mountaintops in live chat, okay? That's what it's about, man. It's all about empowering others. That's life. That's all life is. Empower others, okay? Dang, dude, there was something awesome on Billions yesterday. It's a weird context, but it's like, find the greatness within you and nurture it. I can't remember the rest of the quote. Whoever saw Billions yesterday, so good. Again, hilarious context, but it was so epic. If I happen to get bored, look at Hot. I don't know, man. Hot's been pretty boring, so if I'm already bored, why would I want to be even more bored, Cabo? All right. Just saying. Monetize with Coil real quick, dude. Nothing's real quick, dude. When you're live streaming, there's too much stuff going on. Italy from Russia says thanks for the TA. Hey, we have Russians in here. CCP probes, man. He actually added to the Russian army recently. Okay, so. Hey, Dub Mullis, man. Thanks for the. That's so weird. Why does it do that? Where it's always like 99 cents. Like I've noticed, because I'll tip Alex Cobb, man, sometimes with Super Chat, and it's like I can't make it be $3. It has to be $2.99. There wasn't. If there was a way to change that, it's just weird. Okay. Thanks, Todd, man. Octa Connect. Here we go, man. We're continuing up. We pivoted at the bottom of the wedge. Look where we are, man. Look at this. Crazy, crazy stuff on Octa Connect, man. Look at that. Bouncing off the 20-day moving average. So strong right now. Still not making higher highs, but dude, we are soon approaching it, right? We got this up-sloping channel, and we're just bouncing along the 75% trend line, and we've got the two up-sloping converging trend lines that form an apex way up here. And we're like 80% of the way through the development of the pattern, meaning we could break out any time, but dude, we don't have any divergence. None. We have no divergence. Figured we could just crap around for a little while and then run up and then slowly make divergence. We don't have any, man. Okay. It looks like you're probably going to hold on to positive momentum now. But you could get as high as 102. Have we ever hit 100? No, we have not, but we probably will. There's a 90. Look, any asset on the stock market that hits $90, there's a 90% chance it's going to hit 100 based on psychology and rounded numbers, right? That's humans. So this thing has not hit 100. It probably will. And it could go as high as 102 and stay within the parameters of the wedge. There's your Octa, dude. Todd. Thanks, man. Holy crap. That's right. It's all about the fishing pole, Julia. Sure looks good on me, Dan and Melissa. Well, just Dan. Thanks, man. Hopefully Melissa approves too, okay? No offense, I'm saying. It's better having the approval of a lady when it comes to wearing shirts. Kanks. What's up, Chris Z? Do I think Bitcoin will dump below 4,900 soon? It's not even about what I think, man. It's just about probabilities. And all I'm doing is just reading the charts, right? Just telling you what I see. I mean, Bitcoin isn't really, diverging on the 4-hour, but on the daily, again, as discussed and reiterated for the third, fourth time now, we have negative momentum on higher highs, higher candle closes, all right? This is not necessarily bullish. Good, Arthur Beeswax. Glad you did, all right? Virginia, Jesus Peoples. But yeah, I don't even know how to go about BAT. I mean, like, somehow y'all found me. It's synced up. The BAT browser synced up to my YouTube and Twitch account. So that's people have been saying I need to do it. I need to do it. It's like, all right, I'll do it, man. Make sure I'm not off here. Sweet, man. Sorry. Just thanks again, Francisco, for that 547 of Ethereum, the cryptocurrency contribution, man. Much love. Sweet. Bad connect. Well, bearishly engulfing, closing and reversing. Yeah, well, why wouldn't we, dude? Why would we not on Bat Connect, dude? We hit the target. We hit. Do you understand that Bat hit the measure move and almost hit the 1618 from the major all-time high to that low after it? Dude, look at this. I mean, what do you want, man? It did it, dude. Inverse head and shoulders, you broke the neckline, you back tested, you held. Last line of defense, you were in the throne room. The orcs had breached the keep, then Gandalf came, and you have killed all the orcs by hitting the measure move of the pattern. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. And then from the high point up here to your low point, from the high to the low, we did not quite hit that 1618 at 9,482, but we got as high as 9,400. And here you are. We never had a candle close outside of this little channel. Nice heart line resistance. Okay, we just did 1, 2, and 3, and look how you've done it. You've now wicked off of it, use it as resistance, and bearishly engulfing, closing and reversing right there. Wow. Nice, dude, on bat. I mean, that's some TA respect out the yin-yang right there, dude. All right? Congratulations on bat. Let's just big round of applause.
Please clap.
Dang, man. Awesome. Who cares about bat now, dude, right? I mean, it's like, who cares about ADA after it hits its measure move? Bitcoin, 5,400 again. Showing a lot of strength after getting rejected earlier today at that 5,430 area. Okay, so, hey, man. I'd love for the bat to not work out and us just become moon boys and go to 5,800. I'd love that right now. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. I'd love to be wrong on that. Okay. Leeton, McPhail, bearish divergence. Where? In the RSI? What asset? No, we're going to look at OMG, though, right after BAT. Sorry, I was looking at BAT because I finally got my, website or YouTube hooked up to it. So, sweet, dude. I don't know how. I don't think I'll get notifications, though. Okay. I can't share them on TradingView because that's how we do our Patreon. I publish private ideas, and then the patrons get them. They get a telegram of my ideas and stuff like that. Oh, Melissa's the one who typed the message. You made her do it. You didn't feel right commenting? Excellent. Okay. Damn, man. Perfect, man. Tell Melissa thank you. I don't know, man. I hate it. So I wish I could have a mic that would just clip here. I wouldn't have to worry about this thing. It's inconvenient as F for writing, drawing, drinking, anything. Moving my hands. That's right, we've killed all the orcs, HK, man. We did it. XVG, it was and then it wasn't. From the height of the structure, we had a 50% retrace, closed and reversed, and we never saw those prices again. That's the story of XVG. Destroyed. Oh, yeah, clapping. Hey, Coffee Crypto, man. I'm having that Nicaraguan. Yeah, Nicaraguan coffee today. Black. Really good. Okay. That's right, Octoman PCs. Cheers, dude. Is there a BAT app for the phone? There's Safari and there's Chrome. Is there BAT browser, and is it a good app, mobile app? Someone let me know, thanks. Because I'm interested in maybe changing from Safari to BAT or something, right? Website Brave verified? Not yet. Not my MitchRayTA.com because I got to talk with Brian about it because he's got the it's a WordPress thing. I've got to get a code and type it in, but my YouTube and Twitch are verified for BAT browser. Okay. Soon my website. She's cooking. What's she cooking, dude? Let me know. Walton Shane pumping again. Hey, we remember the first pump, dude. It was glorious. All right, it was glorious. But real quick, let's take a look at something that people just aren't talking about much, and I just don't know why, man. I don't know why you wouldn't be talking about this one. It had all the makings of a varsity athlete, and it busted out, dude, today. All right, it busted out. Bullish divergence on the RSI. And soon enough after, we broke above the 20, the 50, and we're up 41.23% today. DGD Connect. But dude, man, no way, man. Not gonna happen. Klazax, thanks for joining. Welcome. Kangs. Alright, so not even at the 236 yet. Overhead, you've hit the 100% retrace, though. If you were to look at this like some sort of short-term thing, high to low bump and run. That's it, dude. That's it. Whoa, what the?
Is that
Dire Guy tipped $500. I'll be hail Lord Ray, great setup on DGD, $16,000 in profit today. I definitely respect your TA and how to teach for free on these live streams. Can you check on my long-term bag triple bottom incoming on POA/BTC? Groups, you definitely the king.
Oh my god. Dire guy, man, thanks to the $500 and congratulations on the $16,000 profits on DGD Connect. Y'all remember DGD Connect, man? Do you remember? Dude, Dire guy, I think you might remember. I don't know. Like, I think everyone did. Alright, so this pump here was when Bitcoin was, you see all these wicks too? This is when Bitcoin was like going through its crashes and stuff, like hardcore big, like talking like $3,000 lost days on Bitcoin price action, and DGD was pumping every time, and people were just theorizing, saying, hey man, oh my god, DGD is going to overtake Bitcoin. It is literally a hedge against Bitcoin forever, man. And then it finally topped out, and then, you know, since March of 2018, for a year, over a year, we've just been selling off, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and now we're kings. Thanks again, Dire Guy. Wow, for the $500 contribution, dude. I can't even, man. Light roast has the most caffeine. Is it light roast? I don't know. It doesn't say. Hey, Urban Coffee, did you hear that? It might be good to have the type of roast. I mean, I think you might do that sometimes. Am I crazy? It just says like Nicaraguan, the blend, and that's it. Maybe it should say light roast, dark roast, whatever roast. Hold on a sec. I'm trying to catch my breath. All right. Mother of God. Well, yeah, dude. Hey, Po no mo. Po for show. Po whatever. Po connect. Double bottom. What's triple bottom? 1, 2, 3. Hey. Let's go, dude. Let's go. We've hit the entry. We've not been stopped out yet. But we got a long way to go, man. All right, hey, you know what, dude? Daily time scale. Guess what's happening? That beautiful, always coveted Class B bullish divergence. All right, where we had a low, then we made the exact same low on candle closes, and we had much higher levels of relative strength. That's what you're looking for, dude. That is all the makings of a varsity athlete for a low risk, high reward opportunity. I know there's one wick down here that we could run to, of course. But you gotta look at the candle close and the wicks here and here before, okay? So if it plays out, I think first profit taking level could be 143. Second profit taking level could be around 159. Hey, 159, man. All right. Does that help, Dire Guy, man? Thanks, man. Again, the huge Bitcoin emoji ball in the jar. Feels good, man. Feels good, man. Also this. This is for you, Dire Guy. That's you, dude, okay? Dire Guy's probably being like this, dude. He's probably being like,
I am not amused.
don't be mad at us. Grandma's Boy Connect. Alright, Po for show, Po no mo. Let's go, dude. Let's see if we can make a nice little range-bound trade here and be kings. All we have to do is wait now, right? Okay. Oh, POA. Oh, my bad, RG, dude. What the heck? Sorry, hey, POE would have been good for you, too. My bad. Too many POs, dude. PO box, but to Bitcoin. This one, Oh, I see what you're saying. You're looking at that triple bottom. Just don't know, man. This is the one that crapped out. This is the one that's still within a downsloping structure, it seems, right? Oops, let me turn off Pepe. Feels good, man. Oh my god. So yeah, this was it. It was like that potential double bottom, but we know until you break above the high that gives you the discernible bottoms, it's only potential, and it failed really not only at the overhead resistance, it also failed at the 200-day moving average. Pathetic. Oh crap, man. Hold on. Let me move this chat box. I don't know. It seems kind of good, but it kind of might get in the way with the numbers. But dude, can y'all see that? I don't know. Maybe I should do something by leaving the chat there. I can't like make it somewhere. I can't put it somewhere else because it's a part of my other overlay. Because you see, like every time I do this, it's just gonna be there. So I don't know, but I could hide it by putting it below this screen capture. But I don't know. All right. So anyway, is it a potential triple bottom? And look like a bear pole, bear flag, but a higher low than your previous low. If it was to be some sort of triple bottom, here's our support zone, lowest risk entry. We'll let this only show, and there's the 75% trend line we could not break. And we failed miserably here too to break it. Heartline resistance, right? Here's that structure. All right. Down sloping chart, 1 and 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. Nice heartline, heartline, heartline resistance points. Nice 25 supports. Heartline resistance, heartline resistance. Give me a break. Okay. Well, we don't have to look at it like that. We can put this only on the weekly so you can get a better scope of vision so it doesn't blind you. Too many lines, man. So selling off, hey, you know what would be great? A 95% retrace. See, all right, you're starting to get a little divergence, I guess, on the MACD. Eventually, where you decide to start stalling, you'll be getting it. Okay, most likely. RSI, unfortunately, you have no luck there. No luck on the RSI, no divergence, no help. Plenty of room to run. So it seems like there's plenty of room to run. We're at 37 on the RSI. We could sell off to 30 or lower. And that'd be like the room to run down here to this level. So between 679 and 691 will be your low risk, high reward opportunity. But make sure you got to stop. One always wants to have a stop, right? Just be like something like this. Okay. Oh my goodness, man. All right, just wherever you see fit, just kind of a random area. I mean, you could go there. Really, I think that's the 4 hour line like that. You see the daily, that close right there. So that might be prudent. And you could also, if you want to play ball, you could do it up here, all the way to top 1,018 sats, whatever, man. I'm pretty happy with 8.52 to 1 reward to risk. If we were ever able to bounce off this, you know, you can make this loose if you want, looser, just because look at the reward to risk. I mean, you've so much room you could sell off, right? But up to you, man, because you break this trend line, it's gonna be very bad, very, very bad. All right. Okay, man. POA Connect. Hey, this is the Illuminati coin, isn't it? Oh my God, Illuminati. Hey, man, this might be a good setup, dude. All right. I just don't know if there's any real divergence yet. Okay. Bitcoin's at 5,400 again, up 2% on the day. We have now 1 hour. 1 hour until your daily closes. Israel, I don't know if that would be thanks to XVG. I mean, like, it did run up. It did hit a 50% retrace from its minor high to low. And so there were areas where one could have moved their stop up before it all ended, right? So, okay, let's go, dude. Let's go. Let's be Kangs. On PO and POA. Right, both potential trade setups, right? Well, this one's in play. This one's already in play on PO. Well, that's it, dude. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit the like button, that bell, that sub. If you're enjoying Dire Guy making 16 grand on a DGD trade, hit those likes for him, okay? Holy crap. Thanks for the 277 people tuned in on YouTube. Y'all are amazing. Oh my God. Bitcoin doing things, Ezra. What is it you're talking about, Octoman PC? Is Bitcoin running with it? Yeah, it, man. That's very easy for me to know what you're talking about. Major moves coming? Well, yeah, that in introverts, I would say so. We've been consolidating since April 1st. You realize April 1st, we had the impulse. April 2nd to the 22nd, we have been pretty much consolidating. Okay. So, I mean, yeah, I get it. We have we had one more impulse up, April 10th, but that's, you know, we created a newer swing low after that first initial move, all right? And that's part of our channel that is upsloping. What's up, Black Sheep of Kangs? Mitch Ray coin all in? Yeah, check it out. The Mitch Ray coin. It is a wonderful white paper, and it talks all about how the team have good hearts. We know that, right? So all in. Kappa. What makes it the Illuminati coin, Johnny Prophet? I'll show you, dude, okay? This is what makes it the Illuminati coin, alright? What? Dude, I type in POA coin logo and it's like, did you mean Bitcoin logo? No. I did not mean that. Dude, this is their logo, man. Alright, you see it? POA Connect, Illuminati Coin Connect, right? Oh my god, is that Boob Connect? Titty Coin? Their new logo, Kappa? Oh my god. Yeah, dude, look at that. It's got the makings of a Illuminati all over it, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Adrian, man. Thanks for the 618 biddies, man. Or something. How's it look? Not so great, man. I just can't manage to find its mojo. With all the divergence in the world, it's still just unable to break. Well, look at it. I think when I looked at it, we didn't save. Let me clean up a little bit, all right? A lot of stuff going on, okay? You have to understand that. We're still holding in there. We're still okay. We're hitting that 886. Excuse me. Let me get rid of some stuff here, just so you're not confused. Let's make that weekly. Only visible on the weekly. Or monthly too, whatever. All right, but here we are on the daily. All right, so you've got that falling wedge, don't you? Let's see, gotta adjust here. There we go. Do you see it though? Channel-esque. I mean, we can get rid of the channel. It's fine. I mean, it's still there. It's still there. Just for the sake of simplicity here. Okay, your falling wedge. You're at, from a low point to high point, an 88.6% retrace. 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections. Well, this fourth time, it may not be a rejection. It seems like you've closed the daily below it. All right, but with all the bullish divergence, you've got coinciding variables, extreme amounts of coinciding variables here on Tesla. All right, because remember what would happen if we could hold this 886. If we could, the bullish divergence could play out high to low targets. Again, if it held. Ooh, I'm digging this music, man. Turn it up, dude. There you go. Bread and butter. Bread and butter falling wedge trade. Kangs. Adrian A, thanks for the, again, 618 US dollar contribution, 549 euro. Euro Connect. What's up, BMX Trades? Ed McCracken. Bobby Randall. Lots of new Teslas on the road. All the more reason to go all in. Kappa. Kappa was stated for the record, Your Honor. All right. Bobby Randall's going to LA in May. Say hey to all the peoples out there. We got a lot of them. Tesla's a dime a dozen in La La Land. Well, I mean, talking about LA. Yeah, well, on the chart, it looks beautiful. Beautifully set up. Maybe 255 might double bottom or something there. You'd like to maybe see that, but we know exactly where we're at. 262.75 where we are is the 886 retrace, okay, from the low to high. So this is it, man. Like, this is where you normally reverse your price action. Deep retraces like this, very well established daily pattern. Come on, dude. Let's go. Did BNB show strong bullish divergence at the beginning of the year? You talking about January, or are you talking about when the trend began? Because in January we were already on the upside, so there was no bullish divergence. No, not at the beginning of the year. Now October was when we started running, I think. Okay. Tesla Connect. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Alright, time to look at hot. Another, hey, burn this image in your mind. You see one wedge, I see another. Another falling wedge, dude. Sorry, dude, just crapping out, just failing. Failing, false breakout, dude, okay? So, you can't summon demand. If no one's buying, no one's buying, dude. That's it. Okay, that's hot. It's a low volume, illiquid S coin in an uptrend. And so, you know, people are like, hey, I want trade setups on S coins too, man, with low, I mean, dude, 25 sats, dude. 25 sats. It's down 2 sats. It's down like almost 8%. Hey, man, we'll do the trade setups for you, but I mean, it's hot. It's literally hot. %15% of the U.S. lives in Cali. 80% of that is in SoCal. Nice statistics, BitMEX. What's up, Brooklelinos? Sorry to hear that, but it's okay, man. It's part of the game, right? Yeah, I don't know what that means, Tony Frank, okay? Speak English for me, thank you. Yeah, really, typing a crypto address is weird, right? Who does that? Who literally does that? Okay, oh yeah, by the way, we've been live now for an hour. We local on the 8s. Okay, BNB again, right? So it's the topic of discussion for the stream, so we will look at BNB first before Bitcoin. I'm local on the 8th. And you can clearly see upsloping channel that we've been in since like February. We're out of it and we're back testing it. Hopefully as support. I don't know if it can hold. But you can see that there is downsloping consolidation. It looks very good on the 4-hour. It's not very well. It's like 3 candles, you know, on the daily. So we broke all-time highs on the wick a couple days ago or yesterday, whatever, 25.73 or whatever, and previous wick all-time high was like 25.20. Maybe it was 25.50 we hit, right? Yeah. And we had been above, though. This candle right here made us break to all-time highs and get a confirmed candle high close, all-time high, right? That exceeded the candle high close back from January 4th, 2018. Wow. And the market was at crazy levels, right? Here we are again. And we already know what it was that we needed to do, right? It was discussed a multitude of times when we finally broke the June of 2018 level pretty nicely. It never hit the 1272. We sold off, and it's like we must hold above this area as support. We have to. We got a lot of wickage down here, hit the bottom of the channel, and then we tweezer double bottomed with a bullish engulfing candle, and that was it, man. See ya. After that, that was like the confirmation. It was time to run again. Beautiful. Very beautiful on BT or BNB to USDT, and then BNB to BTC. Beautiful education on that 4-hour inverse head and shoulders. It was so magical looking. All right. Right, you formed it, you broke the neckline. As soon as you broke the neckline, you were gone, and then you ran up. Not only did you hit the measure move, you also hit the 1272 at 47,154 cents. No real candle closes above it, all right, before selling off, making lower highs right now. Okay, another little channel, right? Another little impulse up, down sloping consolidation. We could hope. There you go, right? No, what? Oh, I forgot. My bad. We'll look at it. Sam. I'm not sure, man, about Snap. But I have to look at the chart. Can you tip with PayPal? Of course. You use Stream Elements for that. Okay, so beauty. Look, now we looked at BNB, the US dollar tether, and now the Bitcoin pair, and now we're just going to go to Bitcoin itself, holding strong for now. Holding strong, man. tell you, dude. It's just fantastic, man. Fan-freaking-tastic. 1, 2, 3 targets hit. First target hit on the 13th. Second target hit on the 17th. And the last target hit today, the 22nd. There you go. Fantastical, man. Fantastical. I love it. So now we're seeing if we can sell off at this point at a 382, 618. Maybe at the bottom of the channel again before bouncing. But hey, man, if it really wants to be real strong, it surely can. Break to the upside and invalidate this pattern. But by looking at the daily, we knew that it wasn't very healthy. And by healthy, I mean you're bullishly engulfing, making higher candle. Well, we haven't confirmed it yet. We have not confirmed this candle high close, but of course, we got 46 minutes left. You're probably going to hold above it at least. And close around this area. Anything's possible. But we just know it's an 88% retrace up here. And an entry for a short position for a bearish bat. But hey, bulls are in control, clearly, since the impulse. Higher highs, higher lows. But on the higher high here than your previous high, you have negative momentum, which is very bad. It's worse than bearish divergence. It's like a form of bearish convergence, but it's like class A plus bearish divergence. Okay. I think there's a real term for it. And again, we talked about earlier in the stream, the highest level of volume we've seen since the 11th of April. Okay, this big red bearish engulfing candle. Jeez. Thanks, HK, man. This reminds you of an episode of Intervention where the drug addict gets high and says she's wearing her space boots. Oh my god, man. She's getting high on crypto. Is that what it is? Fibonacci is crazy? No, Fibonacci is life, man. I don't know where this was. This was in the Alpine Valley Music Theater, wherever that is. Posted June of last year. Alright, Cover Crypto, have a good one, dude. Hey, 5-star Emperor. Of course, everything depends on Bitcoin in real life, right? But again, man, it just stems back to that analysis I did, not the last Bitcoin analysis I did, but the one before it. The comparative analysis from Bitcoin's price action now to what we saw after, in mid to late to early December, or November to December, right? Impulse down, sloping consolidation. Here's an impulse up sloping consolidation. Trading in the Zone. Sean Hunter, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Great area to start. Okay. Just barely holding on, man. It's crazy. OMG is freaking me out a little bit. So much Monka S, dude. So much Monka S. Hey, we got an actual reversal pattern. Hey, it's what is this called, chat? I will not say anything. Of course, it may not work. It may be invalidated. Oh, that's too much, man. There we go. What is this pattern called, chat? First one to answer is Kang. Waiting on you to answer, okay? It's on you. Hey, Brooklynos, man.
Thanks for making learning fun and making it feel like friends every night.
Feel like friends. It is friends, Brooklynos. Thanks for the 333 repeating, of course. Tron Connect in the jar, man. Much love. Really appreciate that. Very cool. No, Bobby, that is incorrect. Who wants to take a stab at this? Come on, dude. There we go. Frantic Rock. He did it, man. Big clapping for him.
Clap.
Frantic Rock got it, dude. It's a piercing line. No Kanatomo. This would be Dark Cloud Cover. That would be Dark Cloud Cover. This is the piercing line. Is the inverse of Dark Cloud Cover. but close. Close Kanatomo, man. Got the right idea. So we'll see how that plays out. Seldom do you see those because the opens normally close opens at the same area. I don't know how it happened like this, where you somehow opened lower than your close. Since it's a 24/7 market, these normally happen on daily timescales on the stock market with gaps. You know, you gapped down, you opened lower than your previous close. I don't know how it happened here. It's all weird, dude. But anyway, it's still there. I don't know how it's going to play, but look, you are making those same lows with slightly higher levels of relative strength. So we got a little bit of tail end divergence there. That's all you got, man. Okay, because you don't reverse your price action here and you keep selling off, it's all over, dude. It's all, you could see maybe the 886 down here. We just had to wait for it then if it does, but this is where one would expect to try to make a Gartley entry. Okay, there's confluence, man. There's a 78% retrace and a B to C 1414 fib extension. There's nice confluence zone. What do we call this? The pattern completion zone, the PCZ. We're at it. No ifs, ands, or buts, man. So we'll see if we can hold, pivot, and then run. First target 403, if it held. All right, there's your OMG Connect. Oh, kill me, dude. Digging this music, man. Oh my god. Just want to go to a Dead & Company concert, man. Who wants to go with me? We'll go to Red Rocks or something, right? Lonnie McLovin, welcome. Thanks for joining, Kangs. Holy crap. Thanks for the 272 people tuned in on YouTube. Y'all are amazing. All right. Holy crap, man. 40 likes away from 200. Could we even do it? Could we even get to 175, man? I think we got the power to do it. It's all about, do we have the potential power, but do we have the willpower to get 200 likes on this live stream? Holy crap. You'll go? Oh yeah, you want to go? Come on, let's go, man. Let's watch some Dead & Company. All right, maybe we should change the meetup from Vegas to a Dead & Company concert in Colorado. Heck yeah, Samsara. That's weird. Can't tell me that was just a weird hide. I don't even see the person's message get deleted. Weird, dude. Yeah, I saw that. It's at, what is it, Dick's Sporting Goods Arena or whatever? I went there a couple years ago to that concert. Samsara. Dude, I just, the bucket list thing. I want to go to Red Rocks. I've never been. I'd preferably like to see Widespread Panic first because they are the ones that hold the all-time record over any jam band for consecutive sold-out shows. More than Grateful Dead, back in their heyday. More than anyone that exists. All right. Does it matter? Not really. Not a trading setting. These are just candles. It's just a chart, man. All right. Confluence areas. PCZ. Thanks, Samsara. Okay. Hey, Van Wyn. Welcome to House Harmonic. Welcome, dude. Say something in chat if you're here and you're watching me live. Okay. Thanks again, dude, for the biddies. Somewhat. The somewhat biddies, okay. And the tiers for the different likes, emoji balls for the super chats, like $3 to $9.99, and then you got like the new one at 10, and then there's another one at 50, and another one at 100. Just the way Twitch does it, exact same way. That's awesome, Michael K. Your chat posts are randomly errored out. I don't know what that means, dude. What? Sorry. Okay. So this is XRP pivoting at the 886, the last line of defense. We had nowhere else we could go. And really, you know, Bitcoin showing strength, whatever. Ripple's not really doing anything, okay? It's just kind of holding, sitting there. So we would expect the next leg to begin, but we could always run down and double bottom. Or we could just crap out completely, and that would really suck. But hey, either way, we were able to make a little profit on XRP. Bullish cipher, hit the first target, hit the 1.5 target, right? Second target, we just couldn't break above the downsloping resistance. So that second target is still at 35.720 cents. Okay. Yeah, let's do it, man. Rick, man. Bob Weir. He's a member of Bohemian Grove. What? So Crypto 420, man. Is that a joint? Alright. So that's it, dude. You know there's resistance. You know it's going to be almost impossible to break it, okay? The odds are not in your favor. You probably got as... Let's just say you probably have a better chance of this breaking the downslope resistance than Frodo had of successfully destroying the ring and Lord of the Rings. Okay, so at least we got that going for us. There is a higher chance of Ripple breaking out than Frodo destroying the ring. So at least be positive, okay, on that. Oh, 1941 TA stream, man. Or welcome. Is that how it's supposed to sound? Does that sound 1940-ish? Welcome. Oh my god. Don't love what you're talking about, man. Just saying dates. Are they banned? No, they wouldn't. No, dude, it's not even about that. It's like they'd be trying to keep up with widespread. But sorry, man. They wouldn't be like destroying widespread, because the thing is, like, widespread, they're not going to not sell out their shows just because Dead and Company and Fish could play there, right? They're still going to sell out their shows, all right? Just saying. Oh, man. Dude, this one just killing me, man. Killing me inside. Monero Connect. Oh my god, making adjustments here. False breakout. Pathetic. It's just an insane pattern. Been going on since December, dude. Higher lows, lower highs. Well, I guess now you've got the upsloping. Maybe there's an upsloping resistance now, but dang, man. Just can't get it together. I mean, look, the thing is, when we spiked up from your major high up here to low point, you hit a 50% retrace. Completely common. That's like Dow's theory stuff. You hit it and then sold off. Charles Dow would be like, I told you, dude. I freaking told you. I'm Charles Dow, man. Don't come up with these theories for a reason, dude. It worked out, but here you are. Right back in the thick of the Monk S. Just barely holding on to an upsloping support that again, you created December 16, 2018. Well, that's kind of like where the first anchor point was. Okay. Can you dress up like Trevon James and make crypto videos? Well, are you asking if you can? Of course you can. You definitely can, dude. And you'll probably scam as many people as him. Because I don't think it's probably not difficult to scam, right? What's up, Slobby? No, I've not seen that. Arlo LeBlanc, he says, have you guys seen that TV show called Startup? It's a about a cryptocurrency startup. It's on the Sony Crackle app. That's the thing, a Crackle app. What is this? Rice Krispie treats. Great marketing. Wow. I guess people are just running out of things to name their stuff, right? I mean, there's Titty Coin. So, man, everything's taken, dude, for crypto. Well, we're going with Titty Coin. Ed McCracken says 33 minutes until the highest Bitcoin daily close since November 2018. Yeah, man. Well, we've been doing that. Did that April 10th before, and now we're doing it again. You've got mail. Thanks, Mike, man, for the mail. Of course, Vet, but that's the sad thing. Sad, man. Okay. But then it's like people will get mad or talk crap about me for making fun of people like him. And it's like, no, man. They should be scrutinized, laughed at on a public stage. They should be pointed at and laughed at. That's like the social construct of life, right? You make stupid decisions as a public figure. Okay, you screw people over. That should be magnified, and people should destroy other people doing that. Okay, we started creating content pretty much because of people like him. That's like our mentality. Protect people from making stupid decisions on this heavily manipulated and in a lot of ways, there's so much unscrupulous behavior going on. Okay. All right, good luck, Slobby Top, man. Jeez. Straight DGen. No quacks today? Yeah, no D-Live. Yeah, sucks, man. But, hey, would you rather have D-Live and my screen melting all the time and my restream breaking all the time, the chat being laggy? Or would you just rather it be smooth, no lag, no crap, no freezes, nothing, right? I'd prefer the latter. Yeah, okay, decent. Yeah, right. Yeah, Bobby, exactly like him. Okay. So Monero, dude, I'm going to tell you, like, there's, I guess, opportunity here. Unless we sell off. If we sell off, coming straight down to 12,000 sats, right? There's critical supports here. And you just got the channel too, right? Equidistant channel. I guess we could adjust here, make it perfect. That's perfect. There you go, man. All right. There's your channel 1, 2, and now 3 on the bottom and just 1 on the top. Nice 75% resistance, heartline resistance. It's beautiful, dude. It's freaking beautiful. Beautiful. Dad got banned from Red Rocks because hippies were climbing rocks and dying. Fish heads were getting too rowdy as well. We're banned. Hey, that happened to Widespread in Birmingham at Oak Mountain Amphitheater. But they got unbanned after a decade. So that was good, right? You were trending stoner on D-Live? Well, we have trending stoner, and now we have true stoner. Well, we've had true stoner. He's been around a long time. Well, Rick, I don't know what to tell you, dude. Sorry, man. Sorry. I guess that's not their fault. But it's like every concert's like that, dude. I mean, a lot. I guess a lot of big bands like Bass Nectar's really bad too. Okay. Anyway, dude, I guess we're just talking, hanging out. I mean, we've looked at a lot of stuff today. I've been live for an hour and 30 minutes roughly, so it's been a pretty decent Monday show. I mean, it's not like you're not going to see me again until tonight. I mean, you will, or it's like not like you won't see me tonight on the night stream starting at 11 Eastern. We do that. Holy crap, 188 likes. Kang Logan would be pleased. But what will be more pleasing is triggering Kang Logan and breaching that and going higher. Sorry, looking at something. Colby, wait. Oh, I like this with the chat like that, man. Dang, Colby, man. Is that your spot, man? That's awesome. In Midtown. That looks freaking lit. Well, it was just 400 tune cats. It. I know all about its, dude. King Logan's pleased. Sorry, man. Not anymore. It's already over for you, dude. Get wrecked. You had your one moment in the sun with 188. Now it's 198. Oh, my God. Thanks, TX Adverb Man. Ernesto, thank you, dude. Don't go, Adrian. Why not go, man? Oh, wow. That's crazy, Rick. No, I don't have experience with the God mode indicator. That's right, James, man. ATL. Wow. Oh my God. Tommy Tuberville reveals that he's going to run for the Senate in Alabama. Oh my God. Tommy Tuberville. Tubbs, man. Good Lord. Wait, I'm confused, man. I'm confused. What just happened? Why did someone just get hidden? Everyone calm down. All right. Sorry, I'm doing things, man. I'm doing things while live. What? Is that something that's okay? I'm sorry, man. Dude, this thing. I'm sorry, man. APPC Connect. Alright. Double bottom stuff. Triple bottom. Whatever. Support zone. Resistance zone. You broke above it. False breakouts multiple times. And you've since said, see ya. That's why it's trader's market, right? People take their entries. Lots of entries. And then you run up, you hit your targets, and then the scrubs come in after, you know, when it starts breaking. FOMO, oh my God, we're breaking out, bye, baby, bye. And then they all get destroyed one more time, and they probably are so dumb, they're like, oh, we're going to get back into it again. And then they get dumped on their head, okay? So, miserable. Hey, X, A, B, C, D, maybe? Whatever. Nice. So the makings of a potential Gartley. 786 is where? Oh, we're surpassing the 786. Oh my goodness, man. So 786 is right there. Let's look at where's the 1618 fib extension? Gosh, hold on. 1618. Right here. Oh my goodness, dude. APPC Connect is at that critical confluence area. My goodness, man. My goodness. Will we rise? Well, we have a little bullish divergence, too, on the RS side. Dude. ABC, you kidding me, dude? Let's see if we can be kings here, man. All right. You better hold. This is it. This is the zone of the PCZ, man. The pattern completion zone. We are here. And there's nothing you can tell me about it. All right. So, if that was the case, if that really was how we were going to play things, if that was the low, they're your two primary targets. Oh my God, man. APPC, I can't believe you've done this. There you have it, dude. All right. Let's do things. Big Kang's doing things. Wow. I'll leave that there a second. Sharuba, you are a mod. Stop talking about yourself, dude. Okay. Slow holiday weekend Monday. What, Greg, man? 1941 holiday? Yeah, ICX2. Starting to show a little life. Exactly. Thanks, Anthony, man. Appreciate it. No, I do not use Ichimoku. Get wrecked, Colby, Kappa. Alright. Give me a sec. Why did the big run of April Fool's Day happen late at night? Asian market? It did not happen late at night. I guess that is all relevant to where you live on the planet, but for us it happened when we were live. I think in the night stream? No, it was the day stream, dude. It was like when Asia was waking up, dude. I remember. Do y'all not remember? Dude, I was like in my day stream, and we're talking about the White Walkers and the wall of the ascending triangle, and we were going to bust it down this third time. And maybe it was, but I can't remember. Maybe it was the night stream. It might have been the night stream, late at night. So that's like Asia still just being wide awake, right? When it's nighttime for us in the States. Anyway, sorry. So I'm just talking about like stuff in Atlanta. All right. So we did it, man. Big congratulations to ourselves on hitting the 886, or congratulations on Bitcoin hitting the 886, but still just holding up. 19 minutes left till your what? Your daily 4-hour close. Both of them will close. All right, so maybe I should just stick around for like another 20 minutes with y'all. Just chill out, you know, just kind of IRL stream. What's up, Mike G? Welcome. You know, make this less about the TA, but more about, I mean, it's all about the TA always, but it's like, hey, man, if I'm just engaging with y'all and chatting, you gonna be offended, dude? No, man, we're gonna crack the whip. You must do more TA now. Do my S-Coin literally this second. Yeah, Augur's up 7% today. Thanks for y'all joining Discord. Remember, if you do want to keep the conversation going when this live stream inevitably ends, join the Discord. It's the best way to do it. Best way to get in contact with me and other people in this community is joining Mitchray TA Discord. That Discord's 1,500 plus members strong now, growing every day. And you want to be a part of it, okay? Because a bunch of like-minded people that care about charts just like you do. All right? That's right, Scour, dude. Exactly. Sweet. Sky House. Dude. Is that the one that people told me about when I was visiting there? That is, man. I'm almost certain, dude, Coleman, man. That is the place they told me. They sent to me. Like, sent me a link. I should go there. Live there. It's so weird that you live there. 20-minute TA strike? Yeah, dude. Yeah. What's going on with ADA? Nothing much. I think it's starting to bullishly diverge. Maybe a little bit on like the 4-hour, 60-minute. It was forming, it's just in that downsloping channel, ADA. Okay. I don't tell you, dude, Bitcoin. I mean, this is it, dude. We hit the third profit taking level on the cipher, the bullish cipher. And here's the short entry for the bearish bat. Okay, so it's like both. Crazy target area. And I said if we did hit the entry for the short and we hit the first and second target, I would then print this out and frame it and put it on my wall. Seriously, straight up. Yeah, kind of, Colby. I don't know. I had mine different. I don't know why. Why is yours so different? Hey, Robert C. Welcome, dude. Huh. Well, either way, man. You're just towards the end of it. Yeah, dude. It's the 200-day moving average is the big issue for XRP. When we ran up here, hit the 50% retrace from the previous high up here to low. 200-day moving average is up there too. You just can't break it, man. So, I don't know, man. 16 minutes left on your daily candle with XRP just failing. Look, and it broke below all the moving averages. Now it's using those moving averages as resistance. It's rejected for 1, 2, 3, 4th time in a row on the 4 hour. You're rejecting prices above any moving average. Very bad. Poor price action. Poor. Bill, I just looked at OMG like a few minutes ago. It's interesting. Okay. You're at the monkey ass Pogger zone. The PCZ, pattern completion zone. First swing low. First swing low, what, back here? August? What you talking about, homie, man? If you print it, you will buy a signed copy, Shane. Okay, hey, that'd be a good idea. I could... No way, dude. Yeah, dude. I don't think there will ever be a day when I'm printing out patterns that play out, signing them, and selling them. Okay, that will never happen. Funny that you say that, though, Shane Overton, man. Wow. No one understands what's happening these past few months. Actually, James Richard Jones, that's completely inaccurate. Completely inaccurate. No one knows what's going on. That means you haven't been watching this show for very long. Okay. If you say that. We completely understand. Exactly. To a textbook point. So much that we've articulated a billion times on what's been happening the past few months. Okay. Hey, Bang Bill. Welcome, dude. Thanks. I don't know, man. Like, we'll see. So remember the whole thing we talked about in the video on that short? It's like Casey Stubbs likes the short to be just above X. Let me zoom in so I can see where the freaking wick is. I can't even. Okay, right here. So that's like the wick. So 54.87 is the wick, so you just want to be slightly above that in case we run up to touch that and sell off again. All right, that's the Casey Stubbs way, man. All right, don't look at me. So there's that first target way down here. Oops. So it looked like that. It's like a 2.84 to 1, not necessarily 3 to 1, but if you're going to be real loose on the stop, it's going to require that if you're going to be above this. But that's why Casey Stubbs doesn't even worry about the 382. Okay. Casey Stubbs worries about like the 618s and beyond. Or really not even that. Most of the time on the patterns that he does, it's like he talks about like 100% retraces. Second target's going to look like that. That's much higher. 4.53 to 1. Reward risk. Okay. But again, if you do end up selling off here for real, dude, you're making a lower high than your previous high on the 4 hour. But we know the daily's different. It's weird, dude. Hey, Taj, never seen you before in my life, man. And you're talking about giving you stuff. Okay. Put on eBay for charity. What is it? White line is like yours on my chair. Pink line. Okay. You gotta adjust though. You do need to adjust. When you start getting chopped like that, you can start moving your bottom trend line, that pink one you have, and just move it down to touch the other touch points or whatever. Dang, James, man, you should start streaming, dude. Oh, yeah, Friends of Rocky will. Put it on our merch page, okay, man? We have a successful harmonic play out. We'll turn it into art and be kanks. Dang, dude. Say, Coach Nick Saban underwent his replacement hip surgery today. Wish him well. Well, I wish him well. Roll Tide. Oh, you did enlighten me? You enlightened me? Yo, you were the one that told me all about the improper consolidation after losing half your value in 5 weeks. You were the one that did it, man? Oh, wait. I don't know if that was you, man. I don't even remember you talking in this chat when we were down here discussing the improper consolidation that could yield us much higher prices. Okay, common retrace levels, which we're at, not above. So anyway, we got 10 minutes, man. I'm just kind of hanging out with y'all. Okay, I'm hanging out on a Monday. Been live for going on 2 hours now, all right? Bear with me. What's up, Coach Card, dude? Making big money, Kangs? Excellent, dude. Gotcha, James. Gotcha, man. You got a cheeseburger, Miss Quinto? Congratulations on your cheeseburger, man. We've done it, all right? Is the chat on Discord, Twitch, or Patreon? Lewis, I don't... What you talking about, man? The chat on Discord, Twitch, or Patreon. I don't know what that means, man. It's Discord chat. It's chat for Discord because it's Discord. It'd be Twitch chat if it was on Twitch. And, of course, Patreon on Patreon, right? Unless you're talking about the amenity of Patreon, because it would be Discord. I don't... Okay. Oh, God. Bitcoin will hit 1 trillion in the next bull market? Yeah, when will that be? Yeah, Raymond, exactly. Of course, it'll be probably a dull close with 8 minutes left. But, dude, I've seen it, man. I've seen in the last 5 minutes, we've seen tons of price action. But it can be on both sides, okay? Do you, Julian? Roll Tide. Oh, yeah. All right, Herbert. Best of luck, Kappa. Because it's pretty much inverse luck then, dude. Saints, who dat? Justin. And I guess, for Drew Crew, I like, the Red Sox for baseball. Okay. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful. All right, so thanks for the 250 people here. We've got about 7 minutes left on Daily Candle. I'm just hanging out. We're listening to some music. I'm answering questions, talking to y'all in the live chat until the daily closes. All right, and the 4-hour closes. We're just moments away. Monk ass. Hello, son. Toon Cats. Hello. Wow. Oh, new song's on. Oh my god. Let's look at the total market cap real quick. On the daily. How about this on the daily? How beautiful is this? This is like so crazy. Alright. Bouncing off that 20-day moving average still. Bullish Harambeing. You know, just going sideways. Making a lower high, though, than your previous high. That's not good, right? Yeah, you had your golden cross on total April 20th.
Is that a joint?
Dude, that's our first... No, that's our second Is That a Joint of the Day, I think. Dan and Melissa. Because of them, we got the Elon. But, man, that's really nice right there. But, the thing is, where are you consolidating? There's a big sell wall up here. Why? Look left. I mean, the total market cap is right back to where it was in September and August 2018. I mean, this is what one could expect or call an ascending triangle, right? We broke a range and over a resistance area. Once we did that, now bullish continuation is rearing its head. But man, lots of negative momentum still. Looking great on the RSI. 64 just in bullish territory. And this is very interesting. Does anyone remember this at all? No one? Bueller? Remember? We've been doing I think this is the first static video I ever did was when we were down here forming the bullish Gartley and we gave you targets right on the trade, the wedge too. And this is it. Look what happened when we broke out, man. We were gone, breaking out. That's why we draw down slipping resistances. Okay, they are real, dude. They are real. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3, 5 touch points, valid wedge. I think it's out of the overall bear trend. It was never in an overall bear trend. It's been an overall bull trend forever, but we've been in a correction that's lasted longer than any other corrections ever lasted. So we might be out of that correction. But again, man, I just don't know. Based on support resistance, we have more resistance above us on Bitcoin than we have support below us. And doing this chop stuff we did from November to February really helped out to create more support down here when we do decide to sell off. So now it's like instead of nothing being here, if you did sell off, you at least have a lot of support down here. More support than you had before. So that's good. But again, man, how are you breaking this? So much resistance. I mean, how do you break it? A lot of times you have an impulse up, you hit it, you create a sell wall, you create a bullish continuation pattern, and you coil up for a month or two, and then you get ready and you run again. Which we have not done yet, but man, this is one of the best case scenarios for a pattern you'd want to see at critical resistance points. Accumulation, someone's offloading. But again, I don't even know. It's the total market cap, so I don't know if traditional technical analysis is really that great. I mean, it worked down here pretty friggin' well, man. Fantastically. We'll see if it works out again. That's cool, TX, man. Do I know when it'll roughly happen? Probably in the next 7 days, 5 to 7 days or less. Could that be drawn as a descending triangle? Absolutely not, dude. You have accumulation, not distribution. I mean, you started. Look, there they are, man. We don't know if the swing high's in yet. This is not a swing high yet. Okay, so no. And look, you have higher lows every 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points showing and signifying accumulation. So no, this cannot be drawn as a descending triangle here. Unless you're just no. And if you trying to do things like this, no, there was a descending triangle kind of on Bitcoin, but not on this pair. It was never on this pair. On this total TOTAL. Yeah, Bitcoin had a descending triangle. It was thought to be like that. Dandy, we got 2 minutes left, man. 2 minutes on Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Let's go. What are you at? I recommend you buy and accumulate investing in yourself, first name, last name. Okay, I recommend you invest in books and you study. I recommend one would want to buy and accumulate that before any asset. Okay, first name, last name. Hope that helps. Hope that hits you in the feels. What's up, AF Visions, dude? Good to see you, man. You wait for pullbacks, Pablo, and then you go from your high to your low when we do pivot, and that's when you look for the 1272, 1414, 1618. All right. Can't, Brian. Can't do D-Live right now. Can't do anything. A restream is broken right now. It's like ruined. Thanks, Justin M, man. I appreciate the kind words, dude. We'll see, right? We'll see. Not even with the candle closes. I mean, maybe with the candle closes, but what about this? You're just going to completely invalidate the beginning of the pattern just to fit what you think might be it? I mean, dude, we're using the wicks to wicks here. The wicks are perfect. All right, so it doesn't matter, man. Does it really matter? A descending triangle, you're trying to make it become a descending triangle. You're like forcing it to happen when all I'm doing is literally using every outskirt of this pattern to, and it is this. I'm not forcing it. I'm literally just drawing the lines. And you're like, all right, we're going to literally manipulate it and make it look like a descending triangle. And that's the case, man. It's like, whatever. Then you like might be off on your measured move. We break the downside. Dude, it's all about probability. Okay, this thing can break to the upside and it can also break out the downside. And guess what? Measured move's the same. If we broke to the upside, we could see a measured move way up here at 204 billion, and then if we broke to the downside, broke out bearishly whenever we did, we could see 141 billion market cap. All right, that's it. Measure principle works both ways, and we know these patterns are, there's nothing certain in these markets, nothing. All right, not even the bearish bat that we're looking at right now. All right, Bitcoin has closed its 4-hour and daily candle. A new one has been born. Here's Bitstamp. Just a daily time scale on Bitstamp. Bitcoin. Upsloping flag, man. Upsloping flag. What's going on here, man? Oh, that's off a little bit. It's weird. Maybe I plotted it on the 4-hour. So, impulse up, sloping consolidation, bullishly engulfed today, or yesterday, the day that is closed now, all right? Bullishly engulfed, but still riding that heart line as resistance. Oh my goodness, man. Above the 20-day moving average, and hey, here it is, Bitcoin, the US dollar on Bitstamp. Ladies and gentlemen, let's cue the Jesus chimes. Ladies and gentlemen, we have golden crossed on the daily Bitcoin chart. Peace be upon us. All right. We are now holy. The golden cross, man. We have done it. We have done it, man. Thank you to Jesus, man. Go figure that we golden cross one day after Easter. Crazy. On this chart, I don't think it happened on the other one. Maybe it was just like it closed and then got replotted, you know, because these things plot. That's right. Happy Golden Cross, Fazan King. We did it, man. We did it. Oh yeah, it'd be cool, man. Thanks for the 258. It'd be real cool, man. I mean, it's not gonna be that that interesting, but yeah, maybe I should do that at some point. Whatever, man. Sure. Thanks, Adrian, dude, for the 258. Are you doing 258 for Probst? What are you doing the 258 for, man? I mean, Mr. Adverb Man, possibly, dude. All right. Let's go to the other chart. People are so interested in that real live stuff. It's just like, I mean, dude, maybe for day traders that sounds like awesome, like that might be thing, but it's just like so underwhelming. Like you'll see and you'll be like, okay, he did it, and then set him stop, and then you're done. You're crazy. Okay, so we got a literal daily, no, not daily, sorry, 4-hour doji, complete indecision after that move up, after rejecting higher prices, right? Sorry, we'll get the daily here. Did we get here too? Oh my God, it has happened across the world. Sorry, 5-7 days, wrong, today. Oh my God, man. We've golden crossed, send a raven, send a effing raven to the world. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the title of the stream. Maybe not. Maybe I should just name that the next thing I do, okay? First daily golden cross we've seen since, my God, 2015. Do you remember? Right here. The last time we had a golden cross was October of 2015, ladies and gentlemen. Big freaking deal. Big deal. Maybe we should just play the other one, dude. We should play for the Golden Cross. It's been many years since we've seen a Golden Cross. And though it could be the fake out, that's fine. That is fine. Though it could be the fake out. Let's see what we can do here.
Is that a joint?
There we go. Much more appropriate for this situation. For a long time coming, and I'm glad to be able to see it happen in real time with you. All 234 of y'all, okay? Fantastical, man. Fantastical. So that's it, man. Lucius, stop. In case we hit the 100% and then sell off. But you wouldn't be hoping for that, would you? Great news, man. Great news. Yeah, do it, Bill, man. Put in his Lambo pre-orders now, dude. Okay, man. Sorry, the store's sold out because all of us, we've already pre-ordered ours. Okay, I'm sorry, man. We can sell you one at a premium, Bill, if that's okay. Dang, dude. BK says he likes Brave because it saved him 2 minutes of his life. Did it, man? Randy Bobandi, how many cheeseburgers today, man? Bad is starting up again. Crank your engine. Psh, psh. What's up, Bradford, dude? We did it, man. We did the golden cross. We finally made it. So beautiful. Hey, renewable guy, man. Thanks for the 1.618.033 XRP, man. Much love. Really appreciate that. Oh man, this is Watts for Pan playing. Oh my god, dude. What's up, Riley, dude? Yeah, 217 likes. Fantastic people in here, man. All right. I love it. I mean, it's just like, it's a great day, man. It's a great day. We hit our third target of the bullish cipher pattern. We ain't mad, dude. We ain't mad about nothing. All right. So, but here again, on the other side, could just be that bearish entry for the short for the 382 and the 618. Probably not the 886, but just in case, man. But I'll tell you this, man. We really want to see higher highs than 5,500. You got to break 5,500. You break 5,500, man. I'm just telling you this, bad pattern or not. Remember who owns this market currently in this short-term time frame. Bulls kind of own this right now. It's clear. Every time you sell off, you're making higher lows. You're accumulating. It's just like, nope. Bulls are still in control with that kind of price action. So if we do make a higher high than the previous high on the 4-hour, which is the daily, we know we've already done. So that's very good. But we're showing negative momentum on higher prices, which is bad. But on the 4-hour, if we can get the high, we did not get a higher candle close than our previous high. April 10th, 4-hour candle high close, 54.02. We closed yesterday, just moments ago, about 10 minutes ago, 53.89. We did not make a higher high on a close. So we must do that. Right there. And wicks are even higher. Okay. So if you break this 5,500 area for real, with, 5,500, it's like, yeah, right here. If you can break that, hold above it, man. I don't know why you wouldn't hit 5,800, dude. There's no resistance anywhere. Not really. We can look at fib extensions if we need to. We can go from the high here to low point and get 1272. We can get targets up here if we need it. I don't know if we'll need it yet. So, all right. What is the golden cross? Sure, man. Hey, Bradford, should we clip this? Whatever. Why not? Well, there are moving averages. There's the simple moving averages and exponential moving averages. I use simple moving averages. Okay. A lot of people use simple moving averages. Okay. But they're often used as support resistances when there's low volatility. All right. And so what is a moving average? Without any kind of, variables involved with the equation, that would make it a simple moving average when it's just by itself. So, for instance, this purple trend line is a 50-day moving average, meaning how do we plot this moving average? You take the previous 50 days candle high closes, whatever the price was, you add them together, and then you divide by 50. And that is how the computer knows how to plot this line here, the moving average. Same thing on the 200. Takes the previous 200-day closes, adds them together, and then divides by 200. Slower moving average is the red line, the 200-day moving average, 50, and then the yellow is the 20. It's the faster scale, right? And that's why it's closer to the candles. But we're above the 20-day moving average right now. Very far above all these slower scale moving averages. They're trying to catch up, but man, the price action has been too robust. So it'll take a while for it to catch up. So a golden cross is when your 50-day moving average bullishly crosses over that 200-day moving average. It is a prerequisite to any sort of longer sustained uptrend. And we're getting it today. Today, man. All right? Hence the golden and the cross, right? The golden cross. To Jesus, man. To Jesus, man himself. That's hilarious, man. Golden cross a day after Easter. You can't make this up in the crypto world. Sublister. If I'm about to turn the music up, it's not going to be because we're going to be rocking to roll to the top. It's going to be because I'm getting out of here, okay? Alright, so it's starting to sell off a little bit. It could be a Doji Star. Uh-oh. That'd be awesome, because then we could hit 52.44 again. First target of the short, man. at some point, if we make a lower high here, yeah, we're double topping kind of right now. Just critical resistance. So let's do a little rundown real quick, all right? Since the day is over, or the day, you know, the candle close. Adrian A, thanks for the super chat. Anon, thanks for the super chat. Sam Sarah, thank you. Brookalinos, hey, let me know if that helps. Brookalinos, that description and breakdown of the Golden Cross. Let me know if it works, okay? Tell me, dude. Don't just sit there. Okay, you asked. I answered. So thanks, Adrian A. Dyer Guy, thanks for the $500 contribution. And again, congratulations on your $16,000 profit on DGD today of over 40% a trade setup for patrons. Tom Mullis, thanks for $3. Dan and Melissa, thanks for the 2420. The Iowa Jesus People's contribution. 3 lines. Thanks for those super chats. Well, 1 super chat, 1 standard, which is good. All right. And then, I think it was Francisco. Yeah, Francisco, man. Thanks for the 0.03 Ethereum cryptocurrency contribution. Much love. Because of people like all y'all, I'm able to come back multiple times a day to do the analysis and show you what this is all about. Okay. I'll do everything I can to continue being some sort of lighthouse in this crazy, tumultuous market that is crypto, so new. We are the pioneers, all of us. All right. So I'll be back tonight at 11 Eastern. Don't miss it. So until next time, respect the TA.
That boy is good.
Good and terrible.
I am not amused. Adios, turd nuggets.